So it's a huge thing of grout for the laundry room floor. Just kind of poured out here in the woods. It's like they just didn't care where they ended up pouring it. They just poured it against this tree and left it. Makes me wonder really about the professionalism about this maintenance company that my management uses. It just kind of, it's all on the tree. There's also some amongst the tree line before you come into the tree area. It's just rock hard. You see right here. It's not rock hard, but it's pretty much plaster, and I just can't believe it. Totally disgusting. Apparently this is part of their cuttings from the new flooring. It's just right here on the side. And they just decided to throw it. And there's the building. Right past that white van is the dumpster. It's really unimpressive.